The 2023 edition of EMO in Hannover welcomed nearly 92,000 trade visitors, with 54% arriving from 130 different countries. Notably, about one-third of the visitors came from Asia. Among them was Ashok Kumar Sen of TASA Micro, representing India's dynamic drive for advanced solutions at EMO. Founded by Ashok Kumar Sen, with a bold ambition to create import substitutes, TASA Micro has evolved from a visionary startup into a global force.
I started my career in 1975 from MSD Ribbon Export Limited. I have worked there for 25 years.
His expertise soon drew the attention of industry leaders, and one day in Ludhiana, a prominent machine tool manufacturer approached him to provide design support for solving complex engineering challenges. The success of that project became a turning point. It gave him the confidence to take entrepreneurial leap. Thus, TASA was born.
And last 25 years, this is our 25 years of machine building. And we have developed more than 400 machines in India. And whatever trucks running in the road of the Tata Motors, they are axle housing, popular shaft, and rear axle in our machine only.
In 2025, the tables have turned. TASA is stepping into EMO as an exhibitor for the very first time.
For us, EMO was always a platform where we would want our machines to exhibit so that it can reach all the global audiences. You are expecting the audience from all over the world. Even in a matured manufacturing market, representatives would visit EMO.
Today, TASA stands as Asia's largest manufacturer of broaching machines, a remarkable milestone that reflects its commitment to precision, innovation, and reliability. Looking forward, TASA's ultimate goal is to become the complete turnkey solution provider for gear manufacturers worldwide, a partner that delivers end-to-end confidence.